Hello everyone, happy Tuesday. My name is Theresa, and on this channel I do unboxings, whether it's makeup, skincare, body care, candles, fragrances. If it's in a box or bag, I will unbox it. Today's video is Allure beauty box. This here box is $26, free shipping. You get 5 items inside this box. 3 of them are full size, and then sometimes you get 6. So, and then the rest of them are deluxe samples. Okay. I've taken everything out of the box so that this video moves a little bit faster. So, what's on my lips is this here, and I like the fact that these sparkles don't end up on my lips because I'm just not a sparkle person. I'm just not. And I love red lipstick, especially a blue red. And then my scent of today is Treasure. This here is a beautiful fragrance. Mansour, what is this? My Sincere. I've had this fragrance for quite some time. I just love it. I sprayed this on at like 6:15 this morning. I had to stop somewhere on my way home from work, and I could no longer smell it, but somebody was able to smell it on me and told me how beautiful I smelled. Okay. All right. So, as I said, this is a Allure Beauty Box for June 2024. They always give you a pamphlet, and they always have a beautiful young lady on the front of it. So, before I start knocking stuff over. So what is it? Christoph Robin, he does hair products, and we were able to choose out of the 6 which one we wanted. By the time I got there to choose, majority of everything was gone. So the first thing is Face Reality, which I've never heard of this company before, but it's Barrier Balance Creamy Cleanser Daily Common Wash. And this here is $35 for 180 ml, and that's what this here is. What I like about Allure is that these editors give you their version of what the products do for them. So it says, strikes the perfect balance, removing makeup while hydrating my skin. It says, this is a great daily facial cleanser. Sometimes instead of rinsing off the formula right away, we like to leave it on for a few minutes. Also make it like it's a mask. That's a very good idea. And skin is even softer. We have, yes, there's a tab on there. I like when I see that, because when I see stuff like that, then I feel like my stuff has not been tampered with. All right. The next item is from Floss, and it's Rise Above, and this here is a mascara. This here is $22. It says, wiggle the wand at the base of your lashes and run it through for the length. So this is a lengthening mascara. Okay. I have lip products from Floss. I didn't know that they made mascara. And then from Earth Harbor, we have Tidal Rose. Now this here is a crystal hydration toner. What do you smell like? Like fresh cut roses. So if you're not a rose person, this is not going to be for you. But this is cute. Little bottle. And okay, because I was getting ready to say 60 mil, it is $16. This here is a 20 mil that came inside the box. Okay. And we have a little sample from Belief. This here is the True Cream Aqua Bomb Moisturizer. Full size is a 50 mil, costs $38. This here is a 10 mil that came inside of the box. And if you look at the bottom, it has that little dome in there, so that's all you're getting. It says, the fact that it is so light means it wears well and on its own underneath makeup without piling. Okay. And then they have this thing here. I've never heard of this company either. This here is, you get little patches. Facet Ingrown Hair Bikini Patch. So the full size would be 12 patches. You get 6 inside of here, and that's $19.99 for 12. And this here, like I said, this here you get 6 in there. It has lactate acid, azelaic acid, monoside. So if you turn it over, it has asterisks to fade dark spots. So that's what they look like. They look just like a pimple patch, you know. And on what is it? Christophe Robin. This was a mask. I think it was the curling cream that I was looking at that I said I wanted to get. But this here is Mask Color Shield. There's camo berries, vibrant, protect colors, and nurtured hair. Okay. So this there is $39. This is a 200 mil. Not bad. I feel like this box was a little lackluster, but I always say you can't always get, you know, blockbuster boxes every month, you know. So we'll do a quick recap. We have the Face Reality Creamy Cleanser. We have the patches, Christophe Robin's hair mask, Belief Water Bomb Cream, the Rose Toner, cute little bottle though, it really is, and the mascara. You know, like I said, overall this is not a bad box, not at all. And if you were to subscribe, like they have the GQ box for the gentleman, and then they have this limited edition fragrance box, which is a GQ box that you can get for Father's Day, and the special price on here is $99. And then they talk about the Face Reality cream that I was just telling you about, that I've never heard of it. I've never heard of the brand. But like I said, overall, this is not a bad box. Last month's was off the chain. I actually like that box a lot. All right, I babbled enough. My name is Theresa. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see each and every one of you in my next upload. Peace and blessings, everyone. Bye.